My name is Mr. Wilson. I'm here to talk about the grade 10 mechanics class. Mechanics 10 course consists of taking apart a small engine, putting it back together, diagnosing any problems with it, and measuring it. Also, we deal with tires. We balance tires, take tires off a rim, fix tires. Do oil changes, minor maintenance to an automobile. Even how to wash a car even. There's a proper way to do almost everything in the shop. We deal with safety a lot in Mechanics 10 as well, and that's very important.